This tip is tested in Corolla Cross Hybrid, but also applicable to other hybrid vehicles. Did you know you can avoid losing your battery charge if you drive your hybrid the right way? Here are the tips. When going uphill or on a flyover, press the gas pedal firmly so you can climb easily. The goal is to engage the engine and charge the battery. Don't use the battery charge unnecessarily, save it for cruising. Collect as much energy as possible while the combustion engine is running. Now, during cruising speed, use C mode. Avoid pressing the pedal too much so the engine won't engage unnecessarily. That will consume the battery. You will notice that with this driving behavior, your battery charge level will increase instead of depleting too much. Be sure to subscribe. We will upload an actual video using Corolla Cross Hybrid to prove this is working. Thank you.